The diagnostic shows an anomaly on bank 2.
I see it.
Help me with this harness clip. Did you secure the sensor lead?
Yes, just before the lift engaged.
Going up slowly now.
The corrosion here is worse than I thought. We might need a full replacement for the brake lines.
The front mounts are shot. I have some similar.
Look at the welding here on the rear differential. It's solid, but slightly off spec.
The tablet confirms the alignment is reading half.
I think we should start with the rear assembly.
No, the fuel lines here need immediate attention.
She's right. Let's secure this section first.
Bring it down 50 millimeters.
Clear on this side.
Watch the line, watch the line. Okay, easy now.
Is that seated correctly?
Impact.
Yeah, grab the impact wrench and tighten it down. The clear coat is perfect, absolutely flawless.
The lines match the factory specs.
Another masterpiece completed. We did it! She runs perfectly.
Ignition sequence complete. All parameters nominal.
How does the pressure look?
It's holding steady right where it should be. Nicely done.
Clearances are good. Looks solid up front.
The steering feels tight.
Engine response is smooth at low speed.
No unusual vibrations back here.
That's what I call a tune-up. Incredible run. It handles like a dream.
I can't wait to take it for a spin.
The paint job is flawless.
I still can't believe we finished her.
Look at that shine. All those late nights were worth it.
Absolutely perfect.
The torque on the rear diffuser looks spot on.
Agreed. The ceramic coating is flawless.
She's ready for the track.
Slowly now, just a fraction lower.
Hold it, I've got the mount aligned.
It's settled.